we are going to discuss non-for-profit organization. In grade 10, we are studying that according to the objective of the business, according to the purpose of the business, we can divide the business into two categories: profit motive business and non-profit motive business. Non-profit motive business. Right? There are two categories under the objectives of the business organization: the profit motive business organizations and non-profit motive business organization. In grade 10 and 11, as a profit motive business organization, previously we discussed sole proprietors final accounts. Sole proprietors final accounts we discussed, right? Profit and loss statement and statement of financial position. There are main difference between providing financial statement or preparing financial statement related to the profit motive business and non-profit motive business, right? In grade 11, chapter 6, we are going to study that non-profit motive business. Today we are going to study the non-profit motive business. If I am explain furthermore about non-profit motive business, the business purpose is social welfare, not to earn the more profit. Not to earn the more profit. The social welfare is the main objective of the non-profit motive business. They are not trying to earn more profit. But in 1995, one of the management specialists, C.L. Bowlby, he said that he introduced a concept to the world, right? All business organizations work for the profit. He said that all business organizations work for the profit, not only profit motive business, but also non-profit motive business also working for the profit. Without reasonable profit, he argued that, he explained that without reasonable profit, profit motive business or non-profit motive business can't continue, right? Otherwise, if the to depend the going concerns of the business, profit is essential. Therefore, right, introduce the two accounting procedures to present the financial statement, profit motive business and non-profit motive business. Right? Non-profit motive business කියලා කියන්නේ ලාභ පරමාර්ථයෙන් නොවන ව්‍යාපාර පවත්වාගෙන යන ව්‍යාපාරවල. Right? Mainly අපි දන්නවා Rotary Club, Lion Club, right? As well as අලුතර බෝධි සමාගම, YMBA, තරුණ බෞද්ධ සංගමය, right? Those are the main, right? Those are the very popular non-profitable business organization in Sri Lanka. Furthermore, otherwise, in our villages, we can see there are different type of non-profitable, charitable, right, business organization. We are going to study how we present the financial accounts, final accounts, and ledger accounts in non-profit motive business. Non-profit motive business. Right. Right. Subtopic is introduction. Subtopic is introduction. Write down. Most of the business organization operate their business with a profit motive, with a profit motive, with a profit motive. But there are some organizations, that functions with different purposes rather than focusing on the profit, focusing on the profit. Full stop. Social welfare is one of the purpose of such organization. Purpose of such organization. New paragraph. In the school, Commerce Association, Sinhala and Tamil Literacy Association, Sinhala and Tamil Literary Association, religion associations, are some examples for non-profitable business organization. Further, Lion Club, Rotary Club, YNBA, are some of most popular non-profitable business organization. New paragraph. By observing the activities of such organization, we can arrive at a common conclusion at a common conclusion, function with the purpose of common conclusion in the inverted comma, common conclusion in the inverted comma, association function with associations function with the purpose of enhancing social welfare and well-being, social welfare and well-being, known as non-profit motive business organization, Close the inverted comma. Write down new paragraph. Social services, new paragraph. Social services comma funding for flood victims, funding for flood victims, flood victims, comma draft 8 scholarships comma developing some funds for the students, disabled persons, other activities that these organizations perform to fulfill their purposes. Write down next subtopic, financial statement of non-profit organization. Financial statements for non-profit business organization. Write down according to the definition of CL Bowie. According to the definition of CL Bowie, every organization should be earned adequate income to fulfill their day-to-day expenses. Otherwise, the organization will unable to that organization will be unable to continue lack of their working capitals. Working capital we called in Sinhala Karaka Pragdane. Working capitals means the capital, otherwise the money, otherwise the cash flow want to the business continues the day-to-day activities. එදිනෙදා වැඩ කරගෙන යන්න තිබිය යුතු මුදල් වලට අපි කියන්නේ working capitals කාරක ප්‍රාග්ධන. එහෙනම් non-profit motive business organization එකක් උනත්, although the non-profit motive business organization, they should earn adequate, reasonable income, excess amount more than their expenses, daily expenses. Otherwise, they will unable to continue the business. Right. New paragraph. Below activities are launching to earn reasonable adequate profit by non-profitable or charitable organization. Such as collection of subscriptions. Write down one by one. Subscription. That means member fees. Subscription means member fees. Right. Another activity, sales of flags. sales of flags. Right. Next, conducting entertainment event. Conducting entertainment events. Entertainments event and functions functions such as musical show, dramas, right? Cricket tournaments, like that. Next one, exhibitions. Next one, conducting cafeterias. Conducting cafeterias. Next, donations. Next one, donations by the organizations, donations by the other organizations and government, donation by the other organizations and government. Right. Lamai, those are the somewhat main income sources to the non-profitable business organization. Right? The main is member fees. Next, government or other organization funds. Right? They are conducting, right, sales of flags, conducting different type of events, entertainment, event and functions such as musical shows, right? Exhibitions. You know that very most famous, right? Car wash. They earn reasonable profit too, right? They earn reasonable profit, reasonable income to survival of their business, non-profitable organization. New paragraph. Write down, Lamai. These financial activities should be recorded. These financial activities should be recorded appropriately to achieve following objectives. To achieve following objectives. To achieve following objectives. Write down one by one. First one. To raise awareness. To raise awareness among the members of this society, to raise the awareness of the members of the society and other stakeholders and other stakeholders. Next one, second one. To maintain the trust of the members. To maintain the trust of the members. To maintain the trust of the members. Third one. To plan the future activities of the organization. Next one. To conduct the operation of organization smoothly. Operation of organization smoothly. Those are the main reasons to record the transaction in non-profitable business organization. Right. However, in order to meet above activities, the non-profit motive businesses prepared financial statement. Right. There are 3 financial statements they are prepared. First one is receipt and payment account. Receipt and payment account. Next one is income statement. Income statement. Next one is statement of financial. Statement of financial position. Right. These 3 financial statements prepared by the non-profitable business organization to achieve the above, and previously we discussed. Subtopic is receipt and payment account. Receipt and payment account. Subtopic is receipt and payment account. Write down. Receipt and payment account is the account that all the cash receipt and payments occurred within an accounting period within an accounting period In a non-profit motive organization, non-profit motive organization is recorded known as receipt and payment account. It is very similar to cash book in a profit motive business. In a profit motive business. All cash receipts are debited to the receipt and payment account, are debited to the receipt and payment account, and all cash payment are credited to the this account, are credited to the this account.